That is where, if you are smart enough, we should know what are the product features this XYZ bank has. And does our bank has any feature that this bank doesn't have? If so, that feature will be your prime presentation. That will be your because after you get placed, like, ma'am, what is this? I have to keep calling all customers. It all are part of the job you're going to take up. Okay, and automatically it will come in once you fit into the organization. So nothing to worry on that. How will I call 10 customers? Am I a customer call executive? Don't think like that. All it is for your building relationship with the customer and the bank. So it will happen automatically. Okay. So if you see here, Mr. Akshay, who is an existing customer, has given you the contact details of his friend Raju for opening a savings account. So Mr. Raju is currently banking with XYZ Bank. How will you take them? So from this you can understand, see, you are contacting this customer for a new savings account. So here, if you see how we have to take the scenario, we will see. So you are put yourself as a banker, okay? So Akshay is your customer. From him, you are taking references for account opening, and he has given Mr. Raju's number. Okay, and Mr. Raju already has account with XYZ Bank. So how will you prepare for this call? Simply blindly will you call Mr. Raju and say, I am Nivya from Axis Bank. So is this the right time to speak to you? When you say, the moment when you say you are from some bank, the customer may cut the call. Such scenarios can happen, right? We should be prepared for all these scenarios. Not all the customers, as I told you in the call, you are going to call 10 customers tomorrow. All the 10 may not attend your call or may not respond back to your call or give you a positive reply. It's all part of the game like that. You have to think, okay, nothing personal. So when you call Mr. Raju, when you say he is you're from so and so bank, he may say that he is busy. He may cut the call, right? So how I will overcome that obstacle? So the moment you call, you should introduce yourself and you should tell the name Mr. Akshay, so that he will give you some more time to know what Mr. Akshay has given. So you can open the call by saying that you are so-and-so from this bank and Mr. Akshay has referred to you. And he told me that you are looking for a savings account. If you're speaking on a savings account, and is this the right time to speak to you? Or in the first call, naturally, it's better we speak to him like, sir, can I get an appointment to meet you in person? If he's telling that no, then you try to present the product over the phone itself. Mr. Akshay has been our customer for past 5 years. And I can assure you that once you become our customer, we will be definitely giving you best of the services offered in the industry. Some wordings to make the customer to listen to us, right? And then present your product. In this case, what you have to be careful is, already he has account with XYZ Bank. So definitely he will tell that already he has an account. That is where, if you are smart enough, we should know what are the product features this XYZ Bank has. And does our bank has any feature that this bank doesn't have? If so, that feature will be your prime presentation. That will be your USP. What is USP? Unique selling proposition. So when you speak to Mr. Raju, that should be the point you will be presenting. Let's see how in the pre-call planning you should have heard about the preparation you make for the customer. So if it is a cold calling, also the preparation should be there. The call to be effective, because again, if he is over the phone, right, this, or if you're going to he gave you an appointment and you're going to meet also, you should be ready to take up the obstacles that the customer gives. He tells, so we have this account, balance is this, you can withdraw 1 lakh, sir. He will tell, I already in my existing account also I have 1 lakh withdrawal limit. An objection is there. So that will be there. Okay. So we should be prepared for such scenarios. You should be prepared enough and you have to proceed with the call.